Hey everyone, Sheree here. Today I thought I'd give you a look at the new Felicity Jane Bailey kit. I always love when a new kit arrives on my doorstep. This is Bailey. This is going to be a super adorable kit and I can't wait to show you. So let's have a little look. Oh my goodness, look at all this cuteness. Okay, I'm going to get everything out of the box and give you a closer look. Okay, so as you can see, the colors of this kit are just beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm loving everything in this kit this month. All right, so here's a closer look at the Bailey epoxy stickers. So you get an idea of the gorgeous colors there. It's got every color that you would want to match everything in this kit. So they're the little epoxy heart stickers. We also have some little felt hearts and they have gorgeous stitch detail around the edge. So they're a white felt and we have some dark pink stitching, some blue, some orangey yellow there and some lighter pink. And it looks like there's two of each color. There's one sort of hiding up underneath the edge there. But aren't they beautiful? Love those. There's also this gorgeous stripy bow in a little bag and it's got some confetti pieces in there. That is so fun. You could even just use it like that on your page if you wanted to, but love that. There's also the chipboard stickers. So on this one you have the words love, you and me, and then we've got this cute little wreath, a little piece that says you're sweet, there's a heart, this little swirly piece, more hearts down here, a little bow and a tag. So they are super cute, love those. Of course we have our stamp set and this one has got the words love in the solid and the outline. You've also got hearts in a solid and an outline. This one says this life with you. There's a little box detail here that you can fill in the date and the details and add a little stamp here. You could add one of these hearts or whatever you like. There's these two stamps here that would fit inside that little box there. So we've got the dots and the grid. There's the words be mine. These ones say I choose us, you and me. So you could use those in the little boxes there. So there's more little hearts here, date night, and this XO in the circle, and that would fit inside that box as well. Oh, I love this stamp set. That's going to be so fun to use. All right, next up we have the Bailey Puffy Alphabet. Oh, I love this. Is such a fun font. So we have heaps of numbers and letters on the front and back, and we have these little asterisk type stars down the bottom here as well, and that's in that really light, pretty pink. How gorgeous. All right, so these other things I will need to get out of their packets, so I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so next up we have the journaling cards. Oh my goodness, these are gorgeous. All right, so this one is the multicolored hearts. Then we have this diagonal blue stripe and this section here where you can stamp into or write into. We have the black and white polka dot and this top area here is just plain white, love that. We've got this one here that says today, tomorrow, always. As always as well, on the back you either have the dot grid or the grid. We have the multicolored stripe. These colors are so pretty. The vertical black stripe. Then we have this absolutely gorgeous floral card. Oh my gosh, I love that so much. We've got the yellow gingham. Multicolored scallops across the bottom of this one, a white section at the top where you can add a photo or journaling. We have this one here that says details, so you can add your journaling here. You could even create a little checklist if you wanted to. We have this one here that's got a blue heart with the word love in it, so pretty. And oh, I love this one too, pink dots. That is gorgeous, and that one has the grid on the back. Oh wow, okay, I absolutely love each and every one of these. I don't think I could even pick a favorite and I can't wait to use these ones. All right, next up will be the die cuts. Okay, so next up we have the die cut shapes and wow, look at all the cute pieces we have this month. All right, so we've got two little tags here. We have a rainbow and a little bow. This one says happy. We've got the word love, lots of little love hearts in here in all different colors, and I love that this month we have some gold foil pieces included as well. They are so cute. I've got this little pot of flowers here. We also have little sentiments like I love you most with my whole heart. That also has the gold foil accents on the ends. There's this one here that says love, 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 hugs and kisses, be mine, love note, you and me, XOXOXO. There's a little heart tag here, a little heart speech bubble. There's also some labels here. We've got the XO, a little envelope. This one here looks like a little box of candy. It's like a heart with string around it. That's so cute. So as you can see, so much gorgeousness. And Bailey herself is blowing little heart confetti. I'll see if I can give you a closer look. And that's got the gold foil. I'll just get that to focus if I can. No, doesn't want to. Oh, there we go. There you go. She's blowing little gold foil hearts from her hands. That is so cute. All right. So next up we have the papers. I'll get those out of the packet and give you a closer look. All right. So here we have the paper pack. So this piece always comes on the front. Don't throw this out. You could absolutely use this on a layout. You could cut it up to use on cards, in pocket pages, whatever you like. So make sure you keep this one and use it if you can. All right, so I love that we're getting the month included as a little 3x8 card here. On the back there's got lines for journaling, so this is perfect to put into your pocket page album or to use on a layout. I'll be using it in my pocket page album. I used the January one in my album, so I'm really happy to keep using these throughout the year. So it's 3x8. You can get the 3x8 page protectors at the Felicity Jane store, so if you want to grab some of those, head on over there and have a look. Okay, so, oh my gosh, the papers are so pretty. We have the floral here. Absolutely loving these colours this month. And on the back we have these cute little hand-drawn hearts. And then along the branding strip we have this light blue gingham pattern. Next up we have the gorgeous pink spots. I love that so much. And on the back we have the little scallops. And this one has a pink stripe down the branding strip there. Next up we have these stripes. They're in a lovely light blue. On the back we have dots. This is always one of my favourite patterns. And then we have pink stripes down that branding strip. Next up, gorgeous multicoloured hearts. Love that. On the back we have the black and white plaid. And then we have little tiny white hearts on the pink along that branding strip. So pretty. Oh, I love this one too. We have this yellowy diagonal stripe. It's actually called stripes. On the back, we have these cute little black and white flowers, and then a pink scalloped piece down that branding strip. Next up, we have this grid. It's in a lovely pink, and on the back, we have this love text pattern, and as you can see there's little coloured hearts in the background all over that page. That's so cute. On the branding strip of this one there's two little blue swirls all along that strip. And as always we do have two pieces of the solid colour cardstock or paper. Always have the scalloped piece down the end there, so you can use that or you can cut it off and use it on your layout as a strip. So we have the lighter pink on that side, like a peachy sort of colour on this side, and then we have the darker pink and that minty blue. So pretty. So they are the papers. So I know you're going to love this kit as much as I do, and I cannot wait to get started on creating some projects with this. I will leave a link down below to the Felicity Jane store if you'd like to go ahead and grab this one for yourself, and I wouldn't hesitate because this kit is amazing. So remember too that if you don't want the entire kit, there's just a few bits and pieces that you would like, you can get all these bits and pieces separately in the store. And also there's a couple of extra little bits and pieces you can get too. These are ribbons that coordinate perfectly with the kit. They make a gorgeous bow. I haven't been able to play with them yet, but look at those colours, absolutely gorgeous. And You can also get these little heart beads. Let's see if I can get that to focus, because these are so cute. I might even just try and get that open while I'm talking to you. There we go. So cute, those little beads. So they're going to be lots of fun to use on layouts or on cards, or you could even make little tassels with those, whatever you like. All right, so that's it from me today. I hope you've enjoyed seeing what's in the Bailey kit this month, and I'll see you again soon with some fun projects. Thanks for joining me. Bye for now.